In today's walkthrough, we're diving into the latest GigaSheet feature, ChatGPT enrichments, a game changer in automated content generation at massive scale. But first, let's clarify, this is not the Sheet Assistant Copilot that helps you analyze your data. You can explore that in our other video. Today, it's all about the enrichments. Picture this, you have a huge list of leads that you want to craft outbound emails for, but it's far from perfect. Some names are missing, and so are other vital details. You also want to ensure you only reach out to warm leads that aren't already being contacted. Here's where GigaSheet comes to the rescue. We want to focus on the most valuable leads to make the most of our enrichment credits. Now, we'll zero in on those hot leads and exclude any that are already in progress, narrowing it down to about 166,000 rows. Now, let's get creative with our email outreach using AI. Click on the Enrichments button in GigaSheet and choose the OpenAI GPT for GigaSheet enrichment. Here you can craft a prompt that ChatGPT will use to generate content. Use variable references from any column, like first name and email address. You can even ask it to guess the name based on the email. You can adjust the creativity level with the temperature setting. Then review the preview results to fine-tune your prompt until you're satisfied. Once you're ready, click Apply and run the enrichment. The speed depends on various factors, like the GPT API's responsiveness and the number of requests. Remember, we're writing more than 150,000 emails, so it will take some time. You'll receive an email notification when it's complete. Now, check out the new columns in your dataset. The emails generated by GigaSheet using ChatGPT. You can customize and fine-tune your prompts for specific needs. The possibilities are endless, from industry-specific responses to tailored messages or product descriptions. And that's a quick intro to GigaSheet's ChatGPT enrichments. Revolutionize your data management today with GigaSheet's AI-powered capabilities. Thanks for watching.